some simple stretching to open up our hips and loosen our back muscles. So breathe with me as we move through this with our breath. Great for morning or night. Two more. Hug it in. And draw up the spine. Flex the feet. And I am sitting on my sit bones. Go ahead, open and flex and point. Okay, arms go up. Spine nice and tall, pull the belly in. Take an inhale, so the belly's going to go out. Drop the shoulders. Now engage the muscles. So go ahead, soften the knees, engage the thighs, and flex the feet. A micro movement. Try to go a little bit further. One last time. And then up. And go ahead and stare at your hand. Try to bring your elbow at least to your thigh, or you can bring it to the floor. And open the breath and open the chest. Other side. So again, engaging a thigh, flexing the foot. We'll just come down with the exhale, just a little bit. Feel that in your hip. Arm up, at least to the thigh. Look up at your hand. Keep the sits bones down. Reach side to side. Going into basically a pigeon pose because we want to open up the hip. heart. Go ahead, comb around. Crown of the head reaches away. You're only going to go as low as you can with the breath leading the way. Slight pigeon, open up this hip. Jump the arm up. And we're going to lower the best we can with the breath leading. And then the crown reaches away. What a great morning exercise. And let's go ahead and we're going to do spinal rolls because they feel so good. Just come down on your back nice and slow. Oh, yes. Palms facing up, and we're going to do that. We're going to be lifting up our hips. And when we lift up our hips, we are going to be exhaling. So you want your legs to be parallel to the hips, palms face down. Inhale. Exhale up. Two more. And this time you're going to hold it up. Roll the shoulders under. Clasp the hands if possible. And you're lifting your belly up. Chin is into your chest. Feet, check them in. Are they flat on the floor? Release the hands and go down. One vertebrae at a time. And hug it in. Let your back feel the mat. Just do whatever feels good at this point. We're going to go into we're going to go into dead bug. Yes, this is a great morning stretch. together if possible. And spinal rolls. And there you have it. A nice, beautiful stretch for any time, but mornings are great to get you rolling. Namaste.